Hey everyone, welcome back to SAT Math Hacks. Today we're tackling absolute value equations. And trust me, they're way easier than they look. The key formula is simple. 2 equations, 1 check. That's all you need to crush these on test day. Absolute value isn't scary if you know the rule. Let's break it down. Here's the golden rule for absolute value equations. When you see an absolute value expression equal to a number a, you split it into 2 separate equations. The first equation, just drop the absolute value bars and set the expression equal to a. The second equation, drop the bars and set the expression equal to negative a. Quick reminders, if a is negative, stop right there, no solution exists. If a is 0, you get exactly 1 answer, and if a is positive, you'll get 2 solutions. Let's work through our first example. The absolute value of x minus 4 equals 6. Step 1. Split it into 2 equations. The positive case gives us x minus 4 equals 6, so x equals 10. The negative case gives us x minus 4 equals negative 6, so x equals negative 2. Step 2. Always check your answers. Plug 10 back in. The absolute value of 10 minus 4 is 6. Check. Plug negative 2 back in. The absolute value of negative 2 minus 4 is also 6. Check. Both solutions are valid. On the SAT, the answers are usually this clean, so if you're getting weird fractions, double-check your setup. Now, let's level up with a slightly harder example. The absolute value of 2x plus 3 equals 7. Same process, split into 2 equations. Positive case, 2x plus 3 equals 7. Subtract 3 from both sides to get 2x equals 4, then divide by 2 to get x equals 2. Negative case, 2x plus 3 equals negative 7. Subtract 3 to get 2x equals negative 10, divide by 2, and x equals negative 5. Check time. Plug in x equals 2. The absolute value of 2 times 2 plus 3 is the absolute value of 7, which is 7. Plug in x equals negative 5. The absolute value of 2 times negative 5 plus 3 is the absolute value of negative 7, which is 7. Both check out. Before you go, here are 3 traps the SAT loves to set with absolute value questions. First, extraneous solutions. Sometimes when you solve, one of your answers doesn't actually work when you plug it back in. Always check both solutions in the original equation. Second, the no solution trap. If the absolute value equals a negative number, there's no solution, period. Don't waste precious test time trying to solve it. Third, a helpful shortcut. SAT answers are almost always clean integers. If you're getting messy fractions or decimals, that's a red flag to recheck your work. Okay, now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this one on your own. The absolute value of 3x minus 1 equals 8. Remember the steps, split into 2 equations, solve each one, and then check your answers. Ready for the answer? The positive case gives us 3x minus 1 equals 8. So 3x equals 9 and x equals 3. The negative case gives us 3x minus 1 equals negative 8. So 3x equals negative 7 and x equals negative 7 over 3. Check both. Plug in 3 and you get the absolute value of 8, which is 8. Plug in negative 7/3 and you get the absolute value of negative 8, which is 8. Both check out. Notice that the second answer is a fraction. On the real SAT, most answers are clean, but it's good to practice with fractions too. Let's recap the whole strategy in 4 quick steps. 1. When you see absolute value, split into 2 equations. 2. Solve each equation separately. 3. Check for extraneous solutions by plugging back in. 4. If the absolute value equals a negative, there's no solution. Mark it and move on. That's it. You now have everything you need to handle absolute value equations on the SAT. Now go crush that math section, you got this. Like and subscribe for more hacks.